Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Imo Comrades Community, ICC. Happy New Year, the Imo people. Happy New Year, the youths of Imo State. Happy New Year, the entire comrades in Imo State. I still remember my humble self, Comrade Okereke God Sincere Bishop, the leader of Imo Comrades Community, ICC. I want to sincerely use this opportunity to thank Ndimo for their support for all comrades in Imo State. We are actually grateful, and most importantly to the government of the state, and we also urge them to do more in area of youth empowerment in this year 2021. A lot of youths are unemployed. Let's create more jobs. A lot of them are handicapped. Not that they don't have the prerequisite qualification, but they do. What we needed is the right policy to be put in place. From the budget so far passed by the governor of the state, I believe it will indeed capture the targeted empowerment by the youths. And I know that a lot of youths will leave the street and they make good use of their time for overall benefit of Ndimo. I want to also use this opportunity to call on all the comrades that we are lucky to make the list of appointment of His Excellency Distinguished Senator Hope Uzodimma to please put in their best in this year 2021 to make sure they use the comradeship prowess and capacity to discharge their duties effectively. Let's move out of our comfort zone and create environment where those appointments will reflect in the life of the citizens of Imo State. There and then we know that government is running, and that will encourage the government to bring in more comrades into the system, because we have the knowledge, we have the capacity, we have the tenacity, the energy required to transform this state into a global village. And together we can do that. The government may not be able to do everything. That's why you are appointed, and you need to step up your game and do the needful. And indeed, Imo State will be a greater place for us to be and to be proud of. Let me not forget, I'm aware that in some quarters, we are complaining of bad road or clean environment in Imo State and what have you. These things did not start today. If we support the government, they will understand that the people love them, and we will support them to do the needful by engaging them effectively and capturing the criticism in aspect of addressing the issues, not castigating the government, doing this, doing that, thinking those things will make them to work hard. No, rather it will not turn anything around. But when we keep encouraging our own people, the government, the people working with the government, they will know that we are appreciative of the little they are doing, and they will sit up and do more. We are committed in supporting government as Imo Comrades Community, ensuring that this state gets it right. And I know in 2021, definitely the narrative will change and everything will work for betterment of Ndimo. Finally, I want to appeal to my colleagues, the comrades. We are learned people. I grow I in the area of business, entrepreneurship, academics. Call anything that a man can do, Ndimo youth can do it. Let's support one another. Let us try to connect each other to move forward. If you are rich, I'm rich. You don't ask Allah. We can't fight each other because you are progressing, I am progressing. But when you are progressing, I'm not. I may fight you because you want to convert me to be a slave. But when two of us are moving, convoy. So, if we can come together as a people and unite ourselves, even government itself cannot deprive us. What is our right? Because they know we are doing well. We coming into the system is to add value to what they are doing, not to become liability to government. That is the only way to, that when we see the wrong, we say, this is wrong, not to play a sycophant game. Why is my leadership is supporting the government? That's the question. People are asking, this and that. No. Imo State belongs to everybody. All of us. If we don't support government of today, your papa can be the governor of tomorrow. If everybody start fighting him, how will he succeed? So let us see this whole thing as our own. When we start seeing Imo as our own, we will not be keeping dirty along the road. We will not be blocking the road to load. Those who are into transportation sector, you are driving, you block the road just because you want to carry a passenger. If we advise ourselves in the right way, there will be no traffic, there will be no interaction fight. A lot of things we go and suppose common sense can change narratives. In the more commerce, we can help government to succeed in many ways. And by God's grace, we have so many templates this year to implement, and we will be the government. And they will know. And Happy New Year.